I have survived an earthquake. I'm being dramatic because it wasn't as crazy as it sounds. It was just a little shaky, shaky, shaky of the bed this morning. But I wasn't sure it was actually an earthquake to begin with. Either like this is a message from beyond, from my great ancestral spirits, or it was a collision of plate tectonics. I'm gonna go with the latter. Fun fact, Antigua is located just right in the center of 3 plate tectonics. So that's why there's so many volcanoes around, and a lot of seismic activity is pretty common around here. The more you know.